In this tutorial, I'll be explaining the difference between while and for loop. The similitude of while and for loop is the similitude of academic calendars of two universities. One university runs a for loop academic calendar, while the other runs a while loop academic calendar. For the for loop academic calendar, a 4-year course is always 4 years, except there are very serious issues. When a student gains admission in the for loop academic calendar university, he is certain that after 4 years he becomes a graduate. But for the while loop academic calendar, a 4-year course is always 4 plus X number of years, where X is an unknown, which can be as a result of strikes, ALUTA, and some other reasons. In the while loop academic calendar, when a student gains admission into the university, he knows that the only thing that is certain is when he completes all his courses, he's going to become a graduate. But this can be done in 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, or and above. He is not certain of the number of years for him to become a graduate, but he knows that if he is able to pass all the required courses, then he becomes a graduate. These two situations can be represented in coding. For the for loop academic calendar, at the starting point, the student holds, let us assume this is holding the student, he has an SSC certificate. At this point, the student is SSC holder. For a 4-year course, it means he's going to spend 4 years in the university. So we'll be writing a for loop. So we have for $I is 0, $I is less than 4, $I plus plus. In the loop, the student is an undergraduate of this university. So you can write student is undergraduate. It will remain to be an undergraduate for 4 good years, and that is when the loop is running. And after 4 years, you will see the student here at this point is a graduate. So this is the representation of the for loop academic calendar. Let us write for the while loop academic calendar. For the while loop academic calendar, at the starting point also, the student holds an SSA certificate. So we have SSCE holder. Now the requirement that is certain is that when he completes all the required courses, then he becomes a graduate. Otherwise, he remains to be an undergraduate. So we can write a while loop like while requirements not completed. Every time the requirement is not completed, then the student is still an undergraduate. So this while loop can run in maybe like 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, or 7 years. So, but when the requirements are being met, this condition will be false. In that case, the student becomes a graduate. So the two codes can be compared like this. Academic calendar of two universities. This is for the for loop academic calendar, and this is the while loop academic calendar.